Hey guys, it's Tony. Good morning. I wanted to update you guys on Big C. It has dropped significantly from where we were. Still holding my position. Right now, down about $10,000 or 26%. I did actually just buy back my former calls that I sold for around $40. They actually went up to about a 96% gain. So I bought them back for $40. I actually just sold four contracts for February for a $75 call for about, I think, like $1,200. I think I picked up, so yeah, like 1,200 and like $90 or something. So I actually sold these calls. I got a credit of 1,200 and I think I have, yeah, 1,280. So I got a credit. I picked up $1,280. I will be holding these. I'll probably buy them back when they either they get in the money or they don't, right? But I'll probably buy them back if Big Commerce stays this consistently low, which it probably will be, to be honest. I'll probably just keep selling calls. I'll be making my money back. I already made more than $10,000 off Big C just selling calls, to be honest. So I'm not really worried about that loss right there. But yeah, just updating you guys on my Big C position. I'm still holding, still selling calls. Usually about in a week, I average out about an extra $1,000 just from Big C. So just wanted to update you guys on that. See you guys later.